Hello, this is Amy Suzanne with Mystic Hands in Pleasanton, California, and I have an invitation for you. This Sunday at 11 a.m., I'll be facilitating an Access Consciousness Body Process class called The Restoration of Communion with Earth. And what these body processes are all about are allowing your body to receive, unlock, and turn on the energy, the space, the consciousness that your body so desperately requires and desires. So it's the restoration. Restoration is about restoring, renewing. Communion is coming together. And Earth, it's the planet that we live on, which is an amazing planet. The trees, the flowers, the animals. What if your body could truly receive the consciousness of the Earth? It's big. For me, since I was little, I was so connected to the Earth. But as I got older, trauma, abuse unfolded into my life. And the result was losing that sense of being fully present here. So what would it take? Excuse me. What would it take for you, yes, you, to be fully present in your body right now? I know many people on this planet right now are not being present here on Earth. They're elsewhere. So I invite you this Sunday to fully become present with your body, with Earth, with your consciousness. And what are you trying to create in the world? Thank you. And if you are interested in this class, you can contact me through my website at mystichands.net. You can also I also do private sessions, so you can schedule your session. Excuse me, as well. So, what's it going to take for you to come play with me this Sunday at 11? Bye.